Another Sunday honeymoon, another season, another reason for making way. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answers twice. It's so killing that he's so willing to make it whoopee. Picture a little love nest down where the roses they cling. Picture that same sweet love nest. Think what a year can bring. He's washing dishes and baby clothes. He's so ambitious, he even sews. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee. Picture a little love nest down where the roses they cling. Picture that same sweet love nest. Think what a year it can bring. He's washing dishes and baby clothes. He's so ambitious, that man, he even sews. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee.